However, we could use message box for printing the error description or numbers, but if we have many errors or generating numbers, that's getting too complex. So in this case, we're using printing debugging mode. I'm going to view menu and immediate window. Immediate window, it is not only for this purpose yet. And instead of something like message box, for example, I want to see the result. I could say here, debug dot print. What do you want to print? Of course, the I value. And let's run the program and allow me to disable message box. Okay. And there it is. This is my result here. So this is 5. For instance, instead of using message box, I use debug print. If I say message box I, of course it is very simple here. But if I use the loop for that, for let's say j from 1 to 10, and okay, next j, and define it here, then j as integer 2, and run 1, 2, 3. That's gonna repeat on and on. So it is not logical, and this is only 10 times on one variable. So instead of that, we're using debug dot print I. Alright, now I could run the program, and there it is. You will see the result. I could remove that and run the program again to see the result. And even close to that, I could use, and let's say, and some space, and even j. Alright, there it is. You will immediately understand and compare what's happening and what's going on here. And the good thing here is not about only happening when you give the error. For example, if I remove this, set divide by maybe 2, still you will get able to print the result there. And about immediate, not only you could showing the print of debug, also you could implement and get result. I could use question mark, maybe let's say just application dot version, and you could press enter or return key to get the result, which mine is 16. And even you could set some values, for example, I equal 5. That's gonna implement or gonna work if you need set something.